Sweet potato. To start, your sweet potato should be firm and the skin should be tight to the flesh and not wrinkled. We'll first top and tail. Next, we'll remove the skin. And here's our peeled sweet potato. First technique is to cut into rounds which we can roast or grill. We can also cut into wedges, also great for roasting and grilling. As an alternative, you can cut into flat wedges and also into half circles. Lastly, we can give them a quick dice by cutting into batons and then into a medium dice. And that is our sweet potato broken down.